Islands from the 20s. Do you do any floor repair?
Where's she located?
In Virginia Highlands.
Oh yeah, we're going to be working on that tomorrow. Yeah,
because it's like a parquet floor, and I think some of the parquet might need repairs.
Okay.
And also, similar to what I have.
Yeah, tell us to me. Give her my number.
Okay.
And
this is incredible. So, yeah.
Yep, give her my number, and then I can either set up an appointment with her, or she can send me pictures.
Yeah.
And then let her know what we can do for her.
Yeah, I just didn't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yep.
So, yeah.
Well, thank you. I'm already getting referrals.
I know.
Yes.
So, I mean,
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy
Thank
Tuesday. Today is June the 2nd. We are in Decatur, Georgia. I love working in Decatur because this is where I'm from. This is my new client, Lauren. Lauren reached out to me last week. I never came out to do a in-home consultation. They, like a lot of my clients, they book strictly through pictures and getting me the measurements. You're gonna see these floors. A lot of people who are moving into these older homes, they do not want to sand the floors. They love the old characteristic looks of it, and we have plenty of floors around to keep us busy for that purpose. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, it's a little bit over about 1,300 square feet, screen, recoat, little color correction, and UV cure. And I'm also excited because I mean, guys, you know, you see us doing a lot of UV cure. I found a good deal on another UV cure machine for a company up north in Connecticut. He wanted to get into the wood floor maintenance, but again, it is not an employee-driven business because again, guys, it's just somebody like myself who really enjoys it, takes pride into it. So I end up buying another UV machine and should have that Wednesday or Thursday, which is perfect because my sanding guy, Aaron, is actually doing a sanding job, and he's going to need the UV machine for Friday. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. Okay, Lauren. So it is a beautiful day today here in Decatur, all right? And Lauren just put a note on the door for the other contractors to come the other way. So look at these floors, guys. So these are, as you can see, the original floors. Little mild color correction here, here. You have a lot of indents, and you know, people love the characteristics of these old floors. I think she said this house was built in the 1900s. And then right here, just a little color correction. Then we got over here. See these marks, guys. People love that, and if you're saying that, and a lot of times these floors can sometimes even be too old to sand. Because I remember when I first got into wood floor maintenance. And I would call my sanding guys. They're like, oh no, these floors, some of the floors are too old and too brittle, and they'll start breaking because they're so old. Then we got this room right here. All right, little color correction over there. And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And then when we're done here, the concrete floor that we did Saturday, she was so happy with it. She wanted us to come back and seal the other side that we didn't do. And then also I have a consultation in Midtown. All right, guys. Stay tuned.
Truman. Truman. Truman in Decatur, making wood floors greater. Straight from Decatur, making wood floors greater. One-day recoat, Truman we know. One-day recoat, watch that shine glow. Truman in Decatur, making wood floors greater. Straight from Decatur, making wood floors greater. Straight from Decatur, making wood floors greater. Put up early with the plan in hand. Courtney, he the man. Yeah, he got the plan. Screen and recoat, color correction too. Bringing old floors back, looking brand new. Satin rag coat, laying smooth on the grain. UV cure, finish back in service today. No long downtime, no weeks of delay. Kids, pets, furniture right back the same day. Oh, look at that shine now. Oh, watch that floor come alive. Truman in Decatur, making wood floors greater. Straight from Decatur. recoat, Truman we know. One-day recoat, watch that shine glow. From the living room all the way down the hall, every scratch disappearing, watch the transformation, y'all. Southern hospitality mixed with craftsmanship. Every flow tell the story, every finish got a gift. 600 reviews, clients know the name. When it come to wood flows, Truman changed the game. Courtney got a plane, Courtney got a plane. Truman got the shine, Truman got the shine, Truman got the shine. Truman in Decatur, making wood floors greater. Straight from Decatur, making wood floors greater. One-day recoat, Truman we know. One-day recoat, watch that shine glow. Truman.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. We are done.
So excited to see it.
Yes, ma'am. Here's my client, Lauren. I tell you guys, these floors came out good. Go take a look, Lauren.
Yeah. These look incredible.
Yes.
Wow.
I think you got the color, guys. One thing I will say about the color correction, I'm talking to the camera too, is the and also Lauren did watch my videos because I never came out here to do a quote, so she watched my videos. The color correction came out amazing. You can really see the grain of the wood, and one thing I love about this floor, it has so much character that you can really see now. I mean, and this is why a lot of people do not like sanding these floors, because a good screen and recoat, color correction if needed. Now right here, I think they had something right here, so maybe they'll put down I don't know what that is, but something it's a perfect square. But the floors came out amazing. You can actually see the black. Look, she Yep. Yes. And you got the UV cure. Oh, also the hole. Remember the hole?
Yeah, right there.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, guys, another happy client. We are done. Tomorrow we have two. The condos that I be doing like one to two a month. They referred me to the other apartment complex in Smyrna. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, it looks so good. And like I say, you see like the divots now? That's what give the floors the character. And no, a lot of people like that because if you sand it or you try to sand it, it takes all of that out. Yep. Looks really good. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.